Hi guys, today I'm back with another DIY video. We're going to be making cute books just like these. They have really cute faces on them and have total 8 pages. They're so cute. So we're going to be making one of these. So let's get started. To make a mini book, you need A4 size paper, glue, scissors, a puncher, marker, and some glitter paper. First, you have to fold the paper into half. Then, you fold it into half again. Then, you open. You fold the other half like how you did. And again. You open it and you will see 16 boxes. Then you have to put it the vertical way and fold it. Now is the cutting part. You see these 3 lines? You have to cut these lines till here. Neatly. And the last one. We're done with the cutting. So you put it straight like this and you take the scissors and you see these lines from where you cut. You have to cut this part and this part. Then you take the 4 sides, the 4 boxes you made, and put them on the side, like this, fold them on the side. Then you fold it upside down. You take this part and fold it up. You take the up part and fold it down. Fold it, both of them together. Make it proper. And this part will be kind of tricky. You will see these 2 things are like too much, like there's a lot of paper here and there's only like one single. You fold it like this and put it on one side. The other part you put it like that. You just fix it properly. You get your book. And now we can make a cute face. I finished making the book, so let's make some decorations. You can add whatever you like. Let's add some cheeks. We're going to use some glitter paper and a puncher. Punching. We're going to add some glue. Let it stick on the paper. You can decorate it the way you like. It has total 8 pages inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks so pretty. These are some cute mini books. You can take them anywhere you want, or you can put them in your pocket, bags, and you can write mini stories and important notes you want. If you want to watch more DIY videos, please do follow me and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.